Okay everybody, as you all practiced for Duolingo, now let's come on our topic which today we are going to learn. It is our today's topic, do you have? Okay, now everybody, suppose that you went a day to your friend's home, okay, and there you need to write something by pen, but you don't have pen. Okay, you asked to your friend, do you have pen? Your friend replied, yes, I have pen. Wait a minute, I am giving you. He went into the bag and he took pen and he gave to you. Okay, now the simple everybody, as I used do you have. We normally use do you have for asking to anybody if that person has something which you need. Okay everybody, do you have is a handy way to politely ask if someone has something you need. Today we will explore how to use do you have. So everybody, have you ever used the phrase do you have when asking for something? Yes everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Yes, Karishma, please speak.
Yes, sir. I have used the phrase do you have.
Okay,
Sir, I never use.
you never used.
Yes.
Okay, no issue. Today we all are going to use. So everybody, to learn this, you all are going to watch one video. As you all know that it is your lesson 51. You all are going to watch video number 1. Please come near to laptops and you all can watch videos everybody. Okay everybody, have you all watched the video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now this time we can listen to Kusum. Kusum, you can share that do you have a pen?
Yes, sir. Yes, I have a pen.
Yes, you have a pen. Yes, if your answer is yes, then you replied yes, I have a pen. Very good. This time I can ask one more question everybody. Do you have airplane everybody? Okay, this time I would like to ask by Karishma. Karishma, you can share, do you have an airplane?
No, I don't have an aeroplane.
You don't have an aeroplane. Okay, if your answer is no, then you are replying like this. No, I don't have an airplane. Fantastic answer, by the way, both of you. Thank you so much. Now, everybody, as you all, by the way, have you all understood the pattern, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, if you all have understood everybody, I want to ask some more questions by the help of one activity. Would you like to play that activity, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great. And that activity name is stand-up activity, which you all have already done that. Okay, as you all have already done that in the previous classes, everybody. Now, everyone, what are you going to do? If I will be asking questions, do you have? If your answer will be yes, then you all will be standing up, and if your answer will be no, then you all will sit down. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This time we can listen to Kajal. Yes, Kajal, what are you going to do?
Sir, you are going to ask some questions related to do you have. If our answer will be yes, then I have to stand up.
Yes.
If my answer will be no,
Yes.
then I will sit down.
Absolutely right. Very nice. Okay. Now everybody, I would like to ask, do you have mobile, everybody? Okay, great. This time we can listen to Mahi. You can answer.
Yes, I have mobile.
You have mobile. Okay, great. This time we can listen to Salma. Yes, Salma, do you have mobile?
Yes, sir.
Please speak in full sentence.
No, I don't have.
No, I don't have mobile. Okay, very good. Now I am going to ask next question, everybody. Do you have any younger sisters? Please don't drag the chairs, everybody.
Yes,
This
sir.
time, okay. This time we can listen to Neelu.
Yes, sir. I have a younger brother.
You have a younger brother. But I asked the question, do you have any younger sister?
No, sir. I don't have any younger sister.
You don't have any younger sister, then you can sit down. This time we can listen to Kusum. Kusum, do you have any younger sisters?
Yes, sir. I have a younger sister.
Okay, you have a younger sister. Great. Now I am going to ask the next question. Okay, everybody. Now, do you have a pet? This time we can listen to Kusum.
No, sir. I don't have it.
You don't have pet? Okay. This time we can listen to Karishma. Do you have a book?
Yes, sir. I have a book.
You have a book. Absolutely right. Okay, everybody. Now, as we completed one activity, now would you like to play a fantastic game, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now the game name is Hide the Stone game. We all are going to play this game. For this, everybody, you all are going to stand up. Please stand up, everybody.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, everybody, in this game, what are we going to do? Okay. Okay, everybody. For this activity, we are going to use a stone, but we don't have a stone. Then we can use this paper ball. For this activity, any one person will go outside. That person will name as guesser, and in our class, any one person will be holding this paper ball. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any one person will be going outside. Suppose that Saloni is there, Saloni is going outside. Okay, and I will be giving this paper ball to anyone. Suppose that Aman has this paper ball. Okay, Aman will be showing this paper ball like this, and everybody has to show like this. They all have paper ball. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
For that, when Saloni will come, Saloni will be not aware that who has paper ball. She will get 3 chances to know who has paper ball. Okay, then she will be asking questions that Aman, do you have paper ball? Beena, do you have paper ball? Satyavrat, do you have paper ball? Like this, she will be asking questions, and you will be replying in full sentence. If you have paper ball, you will be replying, yes, I have paper ball. If you don't have, then how will you reply?
No, I don't have.
No, I don't have paper ball. Okay, first of all, what are we going to do?
Sir, we are going to play an activity.
Yes.
The name of the activity is Hide the Stone game.
Absolutely right.
Sir, after that, you will call a person, like if you will call Aman as
Yes.
a guesser, you
Yes.
will go outside
Absolutely,
and
yeah.
you have a paper ball. You are
Yes.
going to give this paper ball to anybody.
Yes.
Like Kusum has that paper ball.
Yes.
So everybody will act like I have this paper ball.
Absolutely right.
Yes. And then Aman will come inside.
Yes.
Aman has 3 chances
Great.
to guess. He
Yes.
will guess, and while guessing, he will ask the question, do you have the paper ball? And we
Yes.
are going to reply
Yes.
that if I have, then
Yes.
I will share, yes,
Yes.
I have paper ball, otherwise I don't have paper ball.
Absolutely right. Fantastic. Did you all understand, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Now we can start this activity. We can start this game, everyone.